Yeah, Trucker Kazi, I want to welcome you back. It's a Friday, so yeah, welcome you back. Yeah, just we just excited. We just taking 2 day at a time here. So yeah, so we're just taking 2 day at a time. Yeah, I'm almost done with everything now. You know, so almost like once I hit the road, you know it's gonna be like a couple months, and unless I have appointment back in New York, couple months. Yeah, so that's a good thing. The other thing we just we're just watching the debate. You remember there was a debate yesterday, presidential debate. So it was very exciting, very heated debate. Storming each other. Trump and Biden storming each other. But the funniest part, the funniest part, a lot of people didn't pay attention to. Most people pay attention to Trump. He's supporting the military. He says he's supporting the military. Is cutting the corporate tax to 15% to bring the job back here. Is protecting the border. That's what a lot of people got from Trump, and what you got from the Biden is a child care support, tuition fees, scholarship. And he mentioned a lot of time child care. And supporting the senior, make sure they have a full coverage. But that's not the part I want you to pay attention. You're supposed to pay attention to everything. Supposedly you pay attention to everything, then you're not gonna miss the other part. I think what was funny, what I find funny, when Trump told Biden, they're just storming each other, backlashing back and forth. So what Trump told Biden that, when they playing the golf, he was disabled, handicapped. He couldn't even pitch the golf 1 inch there. That's what Trump told President Biden. And what Biden respond is that first he said, okay, I got my disability when I was a vice president. I just done got my disability just now when I'm president. But he also said something else. He said, okay, if you carry that golf bag, I will play, because he told him he can't play the golf. I find that really funny. I find that really funny. If you didn't watch the debate, you can watch it again. It's free on YouTube. Watch it over. You need to know. You need to know like who you're voting for. You have to exercise your right. You say, okay, I know who I'm voting for. I have listened to him. This is his idea. This is what I'm gonna get after I vote from him. So it's very important impact that you listen every presidential debate, all the politicians, all your mayor, your leaders, because you need to know where's their mind at. I don't want somebody go to the office and then diss me about citizenship, immigration paper, and I'm supporting him. You can vote, or you can vote against somebody. You understand? That's what I wanted to highlight you and highlight my comment and share with you. And then Friday, sunshine morning. Yeah, you look very intrigued out here. Very awesome sights. Until take care of yourself. Until next time.